Hey, what's going on, guys? It is ISP Mask, the Mask Artist, and here I'm showing you guys basically how I do my digital ink work, where I'm basically, I guess what you could say is that I'm tracing everything over from my pencil sketches that I did last year, and pretty much I'm just like going over it real quick in Photoshop, and also I want to touch up on onion skin. Onion skins is basically like it basically helps you understand how the sequence of your animation is coming along, and you can make like adjustments here and there. But here I am just going minding my own business. Yeah, making adjustments here and there.
5 hours later.
Alright, and we're pretty much done here with this sequence, where it's basically like a takeoff sequence, where he's like going flying real quick. And this is just a quick idea of what I mean by onion skin, where you just lower the opacity of each drawing, like where it goes from like lightest to darkest, so that way it gives you an idea on how you want your character to basically come out. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. I'm SP Mask, and thanks for stopping by.